The Monkey Gland, Paris, 1920s. A cocktail invented to honor, and this is real, a surgeon who grafted monkey gland tissue onto men to restore their vigor. The drink aged considerably better than the science. 4 things go into this monkey: gin, fresh orange juice, a splash of absinthe, and a splash of grenadine. Start with 1.5 ounces of gin. A dry London style like Tanqueray or Beefeater holds up against all that sweet citrus. Hendrick's works too if you want softer juniper. Every monkey needs a backbone. Add 1.5 ounces of fresh orange juice. Fresh squeezed is the whole point here. This is a 4-ingredient drink, so every player has to pull its own weight. 1 teaspoon of absinthe for that licorice herbal kick, and 1 teaspoon of grenadine for the pink blush. Small pours, big personality. Absinthe brings the mad science energy, grenadine brings the color. Add everything to a shaker with ice, shake hard for 15 seconds, and strain into a chilled coupe. Garnish with a twist of orange peel, and take a moment to appreciate that you're drinking a 90-year-old pharmaceutical curiosity. Dr. Voronoff's monkey gland surgeries were eventually proven useless, and mildly horrifying. His namesake cocktail, on the other hand, has aged beautifully. Drink responsibly. No primates required. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.